Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 4MATIC. Today's model comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back of the vehicle. Well, we've got our 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and E300 badging, as well as a power opening and closing trunk. Some new floor mats here. And let's take a look at the rear seats. So throughout the vehicle you'll find the premium Burmester sound system. And rear seats here. Another look at the sunroof. And a quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And we do have heated memory seats on both the driver and passenger side. And here's the driver's seat controls here. And more of that premium Burmester sound system. Driver door controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and get inside the vehicle. So mileage is currently at 47,387. And we have a push button ignition. Our Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and backup camera all within this display here. Navigation, radio, and the backup camera. Climate control here, and center console. And the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.